The monitoring case system for IoT applications in industry and building technology provides more than just space. With the innovative hinges, your hands stay free for installation and maintenance work. The angled housing edge enables almost parallel mounting of the PCB with maximum use of space. In addition to direct wall mounting, the multifunctional adapter plate enables tool-free mounting on flush-mounted sockets, DIN rails or masts, for example. The housings are easily removable or can be mounted so that they are tamper-proof.